What is up, what's poppin'? It's gang, it's your girl Kels. In today's video, we are doing what I eat in a day and a productive day in the life. Today is Saturday and the perfect day to film my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I figured, why not just do that? So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Today's gonna be a nice day and I'm gonna bring you guys along as I vlog the whole day. So I've already made my breakfast, so let's just jump right into this video. Guess where? Society, baby. So cute here, I love it. So, after I enjoy this coffee, I'm gonna go to, I think I'm going to eat, but I'll let you know. Hi guys, so now that we got my society, we're gonna go home and just chill. Right now it's literally 11:15, it's mad early. So we're gonna go home until it's lunchtime. I'm not even really hungry right now and this coffee's probably gonna hold me in until about like 2-ish, 3. And then yeah, when it's time for lunchtime, I will come back and show you guys my lunch. Hey guys. So, I was gonna, like I said, this is supposed to be a what I eat in a day, but I wanted to share this because I'm going right now. My day is very spontaneous. I'm going now to Longhorn Steakhouse because I have literally been craving their summer salad to the point where I literally bought all the ingredients to make this salad at home. But I just got asked to go to Longhorn and get that salad, so you know where I'm going? To get that salad. But it's okay. My lunchtime today is salad, and this was actually what I was gonna make anyway. So when I go home, I'll show you guys like all the ingredients that I got for my salad, just so you guys believe me. And then I'll catch you guys later for dinner. Sangria is about the size of my head, y'all. Look at this thing. Shrimp. And then my salad's coming, y'all. I'm so excited. Guys, this salad is amazing. Look at it. And I got a sangria, shrimp. Yes, I am going to demolish the salad, so YOLO. Not YOLO, the fuck. So, stay tuned. Honestly, probably not gonna film me eating my salad because y'all don't need to see that. But what I am gonna show you guys when I get home later, I'm gonna have a nice chill day. I'll vlog that, and then we'll make dinner later on together, and then kind of call this a nice day. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, so now that lunch is over, it's now 3:24. I am stuffed. I am not eating anytime soon. Probably gonna eat later around like maybe a little later. 1 second. Hello. So yeah guys, it's 3:30 right now. I'm probably not gonna eat until about like 7, 8. So later I'm making my favorite salmon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. It's the best salmon ever. So good. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill right now, probably get some schoolwork done, and then yeah, when I'm ready to cook, I'll be back. What's up guys? It is dinner time. It is 9:22. It's actually like mad late. I normally don't really eat this late, but it's fine. We are making salmon with rice and green beans, and I'm making frozen salmon. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. And this salmon is so fire, so I'm gonna like show you guys. I am not a cooking vlogger, so don't come for my damn life, but I'm gonna show you guys me, like, you know, searing up the salmon and shit, you know what I'm saying? So I already cut up my lemon, so cute and aesthetic, and I also have my green beans over there already cooking. And let me just, one second. Success 4-bag boiled jasmine rice, because, you know, I just kind of wanted to make this a little more simpler. This was like the most difficult fucking directions I've ever read in my life. So yeah. Now that that's cooking, I'm gonna now adjust the camera so you guys can kind of see my little setup I got here. These seasonings is what makes this whole entire salmon, so just let you know. And I cook my salmon at 400 for like 12 minutes, nothing crazy, like 10 to 12 minutes, kind of just like adjust it. But we're going to now adjust the angle and get into the cooking. Again, not a cooking vlogger, so don't come for my life. Okay, so now that I showed you guys everything, the salmon, cooking it up and all that stuff, then I'm gonna plate it and show you guys the cute little aesthetic salmon. When I tell you, you guys have to try this salmon recipe, you have to try the cinnamon recipe. And I seasoned my green beans with onion powder, I used garlic powder, and obviously salt and pepper. Very basic, and obviously some olive oil. So yeah, I will be back to show you guys the final result and to eat that shit because I'm starving. And right now it is 9:38. Super late time to be having dinner. I do not, again, this is probably not the best time for anybody to be having dinner, but it's totally fine. Be back later. Okay guys, we're done. Look at my little cute little dinner. I dropped my salmon. Oh well, whatever. Okay guys, this is what she's looking like. So good. Okay, so I also wanted to show you guys, because I know earlier, like I went out to like I said, Longhorn Steakhouse, and I had that salad. 1 second. Like when I tell you I had all the things for the salad. Oh yeah, like I said, like I had chicken ready defrosting, the spring mix, feta, some vinaigrette, blueberries, strawberries, and then I also have, we're gonna put the salad topping, which is like cranberries and sliced almonds. This salad is definitely still gonna be a vibe. This chicken's out, so I'm obviously gonna make it. Okay, I'm gonna go eat that. Okay, so yeah, that was it guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog slash what I eat in a day, and I hope that you try out this salmon recipe because it's bomb, and I hope you guys try out that salad too because that's really good. If you don't want to make it at home, get it at Longhorn. Bomb, the best salad ever. And they have grapes in theirs too, so I highly recommend putting grapes. That's kind of what I forgot, but it's fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to my channel every Sunday for a new upload every week. Bye!